In the world of investing, the S&P 500 stands as the gold standard, a benchmark against which investment performance is often measured. For many young investors, the challenge is clear. Can we uncover opportunities that not only meet but exceed this benchmark? Enter exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, a cornerstone in modern investment portfolios. Today, we explore whether certain ETFs can outshine the S&P 500 by 2025. This pursuit is about unlocking potential and seizing opportunity. We'll examine how ETFs offer diverse, dynamic options for savvy investors eager to capitalize on market trends. Prepare to discover two promising ETFs poised to potentially surpass the S&P 500. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding this challenge is crucial for your financial growth. Join us as we set the stage for an exciting exploration of potential market-beating opportunities. Welcome to the world of ETF number 1, a dynamic contender in the investment arena. This ETF has been turning heads with impressive returns, making it a formidable player compared to the S&P 500. Over the years, it has shown resilience, often matching or surpassing the benchmark index. What sets ETF number 1 apart is its unique features, designed to capitalize on emerging market trends and innovative sectors. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover how its strategic asset allocation and expert management might give it the edge needed to outperform the S&P 500 by 2025. Let's explore its past performance, where historical data reveals patterns of growth and stability, providing a solid foundation for future potential. With a diverse portfolio and a keen eye on sustainability, ETF number 1 is not just about past success, it's poised for future growth. Imagine a future where your investment choices lead to substantial gains. Could ETF number 1 be the key? Stay tuned as we evaluate another promising ETF with the potential to redefine your investment strategy. As we continue our exploration, let's turn to ETF number 2, aptly named the Challenger. This ETF is making waves for its strategic positioning and immense growth potential. Unlike many others, it stands out with unique advantages that have caught the eyes of savvy investors. Historically, ETF number 2 has shown a remarkable ability to not only match, but often exceed the performance of the S&P 500. This isn't just a fleeting trend. It's backed by solid data and a well-crafted strategy targeting emerging sectors poised for exponential growth. Looking ahead to 2025, analysts are buzzing with optimism. The growth projections for ETF number 2 are promising, suggesting it might very well surpass the S&P 500. So what makes the Challenger compelling? It's about being in the right place at the right time with the right tools. As young investors eager to make informed decisions, consider how ETF number 2 could fit into your portfolio. Stay with us as we uncover more about these exciting investment opportunities and what they mean for your financial future. As we wrap up our exploration of these two promising ETFs, let's reflect on their strengths. Both have shown potential to outpace the S&P 500, offering unique advantages and growth prospects. However, success in investing is not guaranteed. It requires diligence, thorough research, and smart decision-making. For young investors eager to make informed choices, understanding these opportunities is just the beginning. It's crucial to delve deeper into each ETF's details, assess the data, and align them with your personal financial goals. The journey to financial growth is paved with knowledge and strategy. While these ETFs present exciting possibilities, it's important to consult with financial advisors who can provide personalized insights tailored to your investment needs. They can help navigate market complexities and guide you in making sound decisions. In this ever-evolving financial landscape, staying informed and engaged is key. Continue exploring, questioning, and learning. Equip yourself with the tools necessary to make confident investment decisions. So as you venture into the world of ETFs and beyond, remember that the power to shape your financial future lies in your hands. Embrace the potential of these investment opportunities with wisdom and a strategic mindset. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you feel empowered to take action and chart a path toward achieving your investment goals. Until next time, keep exploring, investing, and growing.